Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm my host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. आज oil prices are down करीब 3% क्योंकि there are reports that the talks between Ukraine and Russia has made progress and they could be nearing an agreement. That doesn't mean the war is over क्योंकि Russian armed forces have expanded their offensive in Ukraine and they are now attacking cities west of Ukraine and the air bases through which the arms and ammunitions are coming from the neighboring countries. इसके वजह से कोई एस्केलेशन तो हुआ नहीं है बट वी नीड टू कीप एन आई ऑन बट एक और नया फैक्टर जो हैज़ एंटर्ड इज चाइना द चाइनीज स्टॉक्स एंड चाइनीज टेक स्टॉक्स एंड चाइनीज प्रॉपर्टी स्टॉक्स हैव बीन हैमर्ड बैडली ओवर द पास्ट वीक और सो एंड the largest tech hub in China, Shenzhen, is under strict lockdown because of massive spike in the COVID cases. जिसका impact will be felt across supply chains and it will have a ripple effect on pushing inflation higher in the world. तो फिलहाल आज एशियन एक्विटी मार्केट्स को अगर देखें तो चाइनीज रिलेटेड स्टॉक्स आर अंडर प्रेशर बट द रेस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक इन इंडाइसेस आर डूइंग ओके. सो एक मिक्स्ड वाला सेंटिमेंट है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ स्लाइट डिप इन ऑयल प्राइसेस तो एक इसलिए उतना भी बैड इम्पैक्ट हो नहीं रहा है. Indian rupee offshore में is trading the dollar rupee is trading around 76, 65, 70 के आसपास, which means March futures may open slightly higher around 80 के आसपास. तो last एक दो हफ्ते में what we have seen is 77 के आसपास RBI has been a massive seller, जिसके कारण 77 के ऊपर spot has not been able to sustain. But at the same time pullback में 76 के आसपास we have seen lot of demand coming in from speculators as well as from hedgers, जिससे कारण 76 के नीचे भी spot has not been able to sustain. So we are in for a range between 76 and 77 on the spot. How to play it? One way is obviously you can sell strangles, जैसे 76 का put and 77 quarter का call. You can sell for the March end, and that can be done intraday. Overnight के लिए, if you don't want to take the risk of sudden change in the global sentiments, what you can do, you can convert that trade into hedge strategy. For example, an iron condor can be done. अगर आप straddle बेच रहे हो, which is slightly risky, then you can convert it into a hedge strategy, which is an iron fly or a butterfly. So strangle intraday में बेचा जा सकता है, and you can convert that into hedge strategies as you take them overnight. क्योंकि ये हफ्ता is going to be just 4 trading days. Friday is a holiday on account of Holi. So if अगर global market में कोई major adverse or major positive कोई development हुआ नहीं तो this range may hold for the time being, that 76 and 77 on the spot. But having said that, technically अगर dollar rupee किसी कारण वजह से 77 के ऊपर जाके spot close होता है, then it will be a pretty ominous sign for the dollar bears, because then we can see a sharp spike due to short covering. But just I'm keeping you informed about that. As of now that looks less likely, but that is something to keep an eye on, because there are a lot of moving pieces in the world between China, Russia, NATO, etc. Crosses में अगर global sentiments थोड़ा सा भी improve किया तो Euro INR and then GBP INR can both recover, because GBP INR looks quite oversold. तो एक recovery उसमें आ सकता है, and Euro may get the benefit from the hawkish ECB, which was the case last week. ये हफ्ता Fed meeting is the most important event to keep a watch on, along with the Bank of England meeting. तो दोनों will have a material impact on all currencies. Bank of England obviously will have a material impact on the GBP INR, but that we will be covering in the coming days. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day.